Seed dispersal, nature's ingenious ways of plant propagation. Hello, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're exploring an exciting natural process called seed dispersal. It's the way plants spread their seeds to grow in new places. Understanding this topic is not just about science, it's about expanding your English vocabulary and comprehension too. So, let's dive in. Seed dispersal is an essential process in nature. Plants produce seeds, but for these seeds to grow into new plants, they must be spread away from the parent plant. Why is this important? Well, it prevents competition for resources like sunlight and water. In this section, we'll explore how seeds can travel far and wide, ensuring the survival and spread of plant species. There are several ways seeds are dispersed, each fascinating in its own right. Let's look at them. 1. Wind dispersal. Some seeds are light and have wings or parachutes, like dandelion seeds, allowing them to be carried by the wind. 2. Water dispersal. Seeds from plants near water bodies can float and are carried away by water. 3. Animal dispersal. Animals eat fruits and carry seeds inside them, which are later excreted at different places. Some seeds also stick to animal fur and are transported to new locations. 4. Explosive dispersal. Certain plants have pods that burst open, throwing seeds away from the parent plant. Each of these methods shows nature's creativity in ensuring plant growth and survival. Seed dispersal is crucial for ecological balance. It helps in the spread of plants, leading to diverse and healthy ecosystems. For gardeners and farmers, understanding this process is key to effective planting and cultivation. As English learners, knowing these concepts can enrich your vocabulary and understanding of the natural world. We hope this video has shed light on the fascinating world of seed dispersal and added some new terms to your English vocabulary. Remember, learning a language is not just about words, it's about understanding the ideas and concepts behind them. Thanks for joining us, and keep exploring and learning.